Hello. Welcome to this session on currency appreciation. We will study this macroeconomic theory concept from CBSE Class 12 curriculum's perspective. However, the core concept remains the same across all boards. Let's begin with the concept of currency appreciation. It refers to a rise in the value of domestic currency in terms of foreign currency. Let's explain this with the help of a hypothetical example. So, when the exchange rate changes from $1 90 rupees to $1 80 rupees, it is referred to as decrease in exchange rate. So, when exchange rate decreases, domestic currency appreciates. Now, appreciation of domestic currency can be explained again with the help of the above example. So, we see that earlier India spent 90 rupees to buy $1. Now, India spends 80 rupees to buy the same dollar. Okay, so the value of rupee has increased in terms of dollars. Let's study the impact of appreciation of domestic currency on foreign trade, that is, on exports and imports of India. Now, domestic goods become expensive because of appreciation of rupee. How? Earlier, Britain spent $1 to buy 90 rupees worth of Indian goods. Now, Britain has to spend $1 to buy 80 rupees worth of Indian goods. So now Britain can buy only 80 rupees worth of Indian goods by spending the same amount of dollars. So when Indian domestic goods become expensive, India's exports will decrease. Since exports are a major source of supply of foreign exchange, decrease in exports leads to decrease in supply of foreign exchange. So we can establish a direct relation once again between exchange rate and supply of foreign exchange. So we see that when exchange rate decreases, supply of foreign exchange also decreases. So there is a direct relation between exchange rate and supply of foreign exchange, leading to an upward sloping supply curve of foreign exchange. Foreign goods become cheaper due to appreciation of domestic currency. Earlier, India spent 90 rupees to buy $1 worth of foreign goods. Now, India spends only 80 rupees to buy $1 worth of goods. So, that means India's imports will rise since foreign goods have become cheaper. Since imports are a major source of demand for foreign exchange, so rise in imports will lead to rise in demand for foreign exchange. And we establish an inverse relation between exchange rate and demand for foreign exchange. So when exchange rate decreases, demand for foreign exchange increases. Both the variables move in the opposite direction. This inverse relation between the two will lead to a downward sloping demand curve of foreign exchange. If you have any doubts, please leave them in the comment section below. In case you found the video helpful, remember to press the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more economics concepts and tutorials.